Ya Gabs
Yo, hello everyone, Khasi people, Meghalaya people, welcome back everyone. This is Gabs Gabi from South Sudan, Africa, peace from Africa, and welcome everyone. So today we are going to check latest music video, guys, by the title "Wat La Sha Jngai." What does it mean? Let me know, guys. This is a Khasi official music video. Sherilin Khongwar. Khongwar. It's like Khong and War. We don't want war. And Kenny Rani. English subtitle is there. Thank you for the English subtitle, meaning that I'm going to enjoy it. And thanks to the Amo Studio, guys, for always giving amazing videos. For sure. Yes. So let's do it. Make sure to subscribe. Let's go. Wow, see the intro. This flying page. This is so amazing, guys. Escape. Yes, man. Let's do this. Don't disappoint me. Wat La Sha Jngai.
Hatin dong skorpion batin
We were brave.
nasin jing muting perkat kiwan be ya kamen siap kapen kende.
So lovely song, guys. So romantic. Subtitle is provided. Dress is nice. The red color.
Wat la sha jngai ta ki chi ilbi ki ba wan ra agal ya mun sin jong na pi wan ba ki anga plasha ngam nang ban buri
Hatin jai jai men sima shisur shah jang jong awan banter wat la sin kong hani kalong de kalen tiba uliat play na trong de kalen tiba penyat u play na trong.
ngam la mudur wai briu ngama ya pi nga shem na e ngawa ngam la ban mudur wai briu ngama ya pi nga shem na e ngawa lempi bajlan.
Wow, guys, this music is so touching. You know what? Actually, subtitle is provided and it's so clear for everyone to understand. And what make it more beautiful, like this music video is so quality, guys. It's something big, I'm telling you. From the scenes I'm watching, from the places they record the music video, is all amazing and beautiful. And coming to the address, oh my gosh, like, wait, guys, I can't speak everything now. Just keep watching. I will tell you what I love the most at the end. Let's check. It's lovely.
Mar wing of skill thu na mar trong pi ngas ken ngam knu
This place is so beautiful.
Mong bak kodor om dan jing e wat lagi e lang tarikin ban be hima jing e berteikan saki ya kaban sin shar haping ala ai
Wow, wow. Special thanks, Mary Khongwar, posted. You guys made this video amazing, guys. Like honestly, it is one of the best music video. Actually, guys, no one suggested this music video. Myself, I suggested to you guys because I was just scrolling and I searched for Kasi new music video and I found this music video like from the thumbnail. I saw something nice and I click because of I always want to react to Kasi music which has subtitle. So I check out subtitle was amazing and I just found that it's something worth watching it. It is also like I'm pretty sure they spend a lot in this music video because those guys, even the outfit, the dress, this lady, she wore like more than three outfit, guys, and they're all super amazing. And the boy also look nice, like the actors, they definitely they just kill everything. And the places they choose for recording this video, oh my gosh, it's just like heaven. Meghalaya is heaven. Meghalaya is heaven, guys. You guys are staying in heaven. I'm coming soon to heaven, man. So amazing. I love it so much. So what la sha jingai, amazing jonga, my heart, jongpi, jonga, la jongpi. But I want to speak because it's so bad one day, guys. So anyway, thank you so much. And like this video, subscribe, tell me what do you love the most, the best part here, and you can let me more about the actor also, guys. It's my first time reacting to them. Just know that this team actually did the best and they're the perfect team to continue producing music, guys. Love from Africa. You did it, guys. Congrats.